Hello and welcome to the ICSE 10 Maths tutorial. Today's topic is circle. I'm going to tell you the important points. What are the important points that we need to keep in our mind while solving questions from circle? Alright? So before we start, शुरू करने से पहले आइए आपको दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ एक शायर की. देखें इससे हमें क्या what lesson we can learn from this. शायर एंट के बारे में, चींटी के बारे में कहता है कि वो कितनी मेहनती है, कितनी मेहनत से, मशक्कत से मुसीबत उठाती है और अपना काम करती है. देखिए कैसे कहता है शायर. कभी काम तूने अधूरा न छोड़ा, नो इनकम्प्लीट वर्क. कभी काम तूने अधूरा न छोड़ा, कभी तूने तकलीफ से मुंह न मोड़ा. कभी काम तूने अधूरा न छोड़ा, कभी तूने तकलीफ से मुंह न मोड़ा. बहुत काम तूने किया थोड़ा थोड़ा, बहुत काम तूने किया थोड़ा थोड़ा. ज़ख़ीरा ये जाड़े की खातिर है जोड़ा, ज़ख़ीरा ये जाड़े की खातिर है जोड़ा. अरे छोटी चूंटी तुझे आफरी है, अरे छोटी चूंटी तुझे आफरी है. आफरी मीन्स शाबाश, वाह वाह, मुबारकबाद. चूंटी की मेहनत को देख करके, उसकी लगन, काम करने की लगन को देख करके शायद वो मुबारकबाद देना चाहता है. ओके, नाउ कम, लेट्स स्टार्ट. सर्कल. The important points are, the first point is, I think this point I've discussed in my general points also. But see, in particular, just see this. The first point is, students are advised to read the question carefully to avoid missing out the sub parts of the question. But in this particular topic circle, I'll tell you what's the meaning of the sub parts of the question. See, there is a question, and generally the questions are easy. At least one question is very easy, where you have to find out some angles are given. You have to apply the theorem, the properties, and then you find out the unknown angles. Right, applying the properties like angle in a semicircle is 90 degree, angles in the same segment are equal, etc., etc. Right. So what's the meaning of this point? It says that to avoid the missing out the sub parts of the question. Generally, three questions are asked: find out angle ABC, find out angle ABC. Some question is there, and then first sub question is find out angle ABC. Then second sub question is find out angle AEB, something AED. And then next part is, third part is find out angle AOB, maybe. Just I'm giving you an example. Now the question is so easy and you're so much excited that you don't read the third part. You're only solving the first two parts, though you know the third part. Alright, but you didn't read the third part, and you're losing 1 mark. Alright, so don't miss out the sub parts of the question. Right? Read the question carefully. See all the sub questions. Point number 2. Handwriting should be neat and legible. Yeah, this is important. Every time I am telling you this. Handwriting should be neat and legible. Alright. If you are writing B, angle ABC, so B should look like B. It should not look like A. Alright. So your B, sometimes B and D, they are same. Alright. Maybe they are looking same, so please avoid that. Third, a very important point, really very important. copy the figure in the answer sheet. Yeah, question is given. I'll show you one question. I'll show you. One question is given. Alright. One question is given. Some values are given. Some values are given. Suppose this angle is given. Maybe just I'm giving you an example. This angle is given. Sometimes you are doing some construction also. Suppose you are joining this point in order to get this angle or this angle, whatever. So you are doing some construction joining these 2 points. Alright. But this you are not doing because you are not copying this question, this figure in the answer sheet. You are doing this in your question paper, and the question paper you are carrying with you. Oh my God. The construction, the line, the point that you joined, you have joined. And then you are finding out this value, whatever the values that the question is asking for. But those things you have done in your question paper. We don't know because the question paper you are carrying with you. So the important point is copy the figure in the answer sheet. So the figure should be copied. Please copy the figure in the answer sheet. And very neat and clean, good quality pen and pencil please use. And please draw neatly. Please draw neatly. You are going to get marks. You don't draw like this. Don't draw like this. Please draw neatly. Fine. So this is a very, very important point. I am repeating, copy the figure in the answer sheet. Okay. Next point is avoid skipping steps. Is not allowed. Write all these steps. All necessary steps must be clearly shown. All necessary steps must be clearly shown. Next point. 5th. Reasons must be provided for all geometry problems. For all geometry problems, reasons must be provided. For example, there is a suppose it's like this. This angle is this is center. Alright, this is center, and this is center. This is diameter AB. This is diameter. This question angle C will be this angle. This angle will be 90 degree. Alright. Angle ACB. Angle ACB is 90 degree because this is the angle in a semicircle. AB is the diameter. So you are writing angle ABC is equal to 90 degree but not giving the reason. Reason is important. So when you write angle ABC equal to 90 degree, when you write angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, please give reason here. Please give reason. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle, 90 degree. That's the point. So reasons must be provided for all the geometry problems. Now point number 6. Naming angles correctly is necessary. For example, you are finding out angle ABC but writing angle ABO, which is not same as ABC. You are finding out angle ABC. You have to find out angle ABC, right? Angle ABC, and you are writing angle AOC. In your mind, you are thinking about ABC, you know, alright, but then you forget to write down ABC, you are writing AOC and writing the correct value. The value is correct, but here it is writing, you are writing AOC. So please be careful. I mean, you know, you are knowledgeable, you know everything, but this is a silly mistake. Alright, you are writing in mind, you are thinking ABC, but writing AOC, but you are writing what you are writing, that we will consider. In the home examination, you come and discuss with me, okay, sir, but just see this. I was thinking angle ABC, but you were thinking, no? You didn't write. What you are writing is important, alright? So, but writing angle ABO, which is not same as angle ABC in that particular question. For example, here AOC is different and ABC is different. I'm just giving you an example randomly. So they're not same, alright? So that is important point. Next point is point number 7. Angle ABC should not be written as angle B if there are 2 angles at that point. But if you mention the triangle, then it is fine. For example, you see, at this point, if you say angle C, then angle ACO is angle C, angle AC, if I call this D, angle ACD, that is also angle C, angle ACB, that is also angle C. So which angle are you talking about? Alright, so in that case you can use 3-letter system. You can say angle ACD, or you can say angle ACB, or you can say angle ACO, or you can mark them small a, small b, small c, 1, 2, 3, M, N, P, like that. Alright. Or if you say in triangle ACD, angle C is equal to. Because you are naming the triangle, then it's fine, then angle C is equal to. Okay, so be very, very clear. What is more logical, correct, clear, that you do. There are 2-3 ways to avoid this type of mistake. Right, so whichever you like, please do that. So ABC should not be written as angle B if there are 2 angles at that point, but if you mention the triangle, then it is fine. If you say that in triangle ACD, angle C is equal to, then it is fine. In triangle ACB, angle C is 90 degree. In triangle ACB, angle C is equal to 90 degree, then it is fine. Sometimes, if it is required, you may draw line segment, or you can join 2 points in order to get the unknown angles. Alright, that you can do. Next point, theorem should be discussed repeatedly, even during the teaching, no? In school class. It should be discussed repeatedly. Okay, now yesterday we discussed theorem, today also for 5 minutes, okay, tell me this theorem, that theorem, okay? So you should be clear. I mean, the statement at least you know, and its application, you know, how can you use this theorem or these theorems in solving questions based on from circle. Alright. So theorem should be discussed repeatedly in order that the students apply theorems and properties correctly in problems. Fine. And now, in the last point, point number 10, I am showing you one question on the screen, and I am just giving you a short solution, explaining to you some points, how to name the angle, in a triangle or angles, and then how to solve it. If you find the way in which I have done, then you can follow it. Alright, so please look at the screen. There is a question, and in that question you have been asked to find out the value of angle CDE. Angle CDE. Now see how I am doing. I don't want to write down angles like 3-letter system. Angle AD, angle CDE, angle ABC, like that. So I am naming them. For example, angle CAD I have named angle A. Alright. In red, no? Angle A. Now B I have named angle CDE. I am calling it B. Please see in the figure. See, everything I have clearly shown in the figure. C I am calling angle ACD as C. Alright. So A, B, C, even D also. D I am calling angle ADC. Angle ADC I am calling as D. Angle ADC. Okay, so everything is clear in the diagram, in the figure. Now see the solution. Now instead of writing down angle ADC equal to 90 degree, I am writing D is equal to 90. D is equal to 90. And reason is angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. The next step, A is equal to 57. Reason, angles in the same segment are equal. Angles in the same segment are equal. Alright. Then after that, now I know A, we know D. So we can find out C. So in triangle ADC, A plus C plus D, all small. Small a plus small c plus small d is equal to 180 degree. And the reason is sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Now put the value of A and D. A is 57, D is 90. Put, add and transpose. Then you get C is equal to 33 degree. You got C. Now if you see in the figure, B and C, they are alternate angles. Why? Because AC and D, they are the parallel lines. So you can write down B is equal to C. And the reason is, D is parallel to AC, see in the figure, and alternate angles are equal. Then you write down is equal to 33 from 1, because you have named C equal to 33 as equation number 1. So from 1 you get C equal to 33. So you are saying B equal to C, and C you have already obtained 33. So is equal to 33. So you got B equal to 33. Now what to find out? Don't leave here, because your actual question says that find out angle CDE, which is a small b. So we got B. But then write down how the question has been asked in the question paper. So write down, therefore, angle CDE is equal to small b is equal to 33 degree. And this is your answer. Got it? Okay. I hope things are very, very clear. Now, in the end, आखिर में मैं आपको एक जोक सुना दूं. एक जोक सुनिए. एक डॉक्टर साहब ने पेशेंट को बोला कि पेशेंट को रोजाना डेली 5 किलोमीटर चलने की सलाह दी कि भाई आप रोज डेली 5 किलोमीटर 5 किलोमीटर आप चला करें. 6 महीने के बाद, आफ्टर 6 months, 6 महीने के बाद पेशेंट ने डॉक्टर को फोन किया. हेलो डॉक्टर साहब. हाँ जी बोलिए, कौन साहब? डॉक्टर साहब, आपने मुझे 6 महीने पहले कहा था कि रोजाना 5 किलोमीटर चला कीजिए. तो मैं अफगानिस्तान पहुंच गया हूं, रुक जाऊं यहीं या रूस की तरफ निकल जाऊं? थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स.